I hope you already know what the Voronoi diagram is. Well, in simplest case, is the Cartesian coordinate system. It's a system with perpendicular x and y axes. The set of points defines tessellation in such a way that the color of the point with coordinates x and y on the plane is the color of the nearest point from the set. To define the nearest point, the famous Pythagorean theorem is used. The Pythagoras theorem states that in the right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Why brute force solution? It's because no mathematical optimization was implemented, and Voronoi diagram is done in a straight way, literally following the definition. Two sliders to control the number of points in the set and the cell size to define the resolution. All is packed in one HTML file. The project is too small for external CSS and JavaScript. Okay, to the code then. The file will be linked in the description. I put some effort into writing comments, so will not waste time describing every detail, but some things are worth mentioning. Line 53. There are two canvas elements present. The grid canvas goes on top on the main canvas. The script will set both canvases' sizes identically, so the grid will fit. Line 66. This constant doesn't allow points, which define the tessellation, to be placed too close to each other. Line 78. This function processes two sliders input events, updating the global object variable sliders, declared on line 67. Line 113. When random points are generated inside the loop, each point is checked for minimal distance to every already present point. If there is no place for a point, can happen infinite looping. That's why I put a loop counter to limit the number of cycles. Line 141. The reduce method of array instances is implemented. Understanding this method is a must to see what is going on here. If you are unfamiliar with the reduce, I recommend take a break and do research on it. Reduce is very powerful and can do miracles when implemented correctly. I will scroll the whole file, just in case. That's all for now. Have a nice one.